Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to delete Google account search history. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. I'm going to click on settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you navigate to Google. Just like so. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on your account name right here. Then proceed to Google account. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for search Google account. Just like so. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and go to my activity. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and you see all your Google search right here. Now, for you to delete any of the Google search history right here, what you need to do is to simply click on web and app activity. Take you right here. Then simply scroll down and then go to auto delete. Click on here. They take you right here. Now you can decide to choose months from here to which you want the election to start from. You can start from 18 months ago or 3 months ago or 36 months ago. Now for you to choose any of them, so I'm going to choose 3 months ago right here. Then with that, click on next. Confirm your preference to auto-delete activity older than 3 months on your phone. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below here and click on confirm. And once you click on confirm, all old activities, search history on your Google account will be wiped off in a few seconds. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to delete Google account search history without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you